Welcome to Divorce at Altitude, a podcast on Colorado family law. I'm Ryan Kalamaya. Each week, along with my business partner and co-host, Amy Goscha, or an expert, we discuss a particular topic related to divorce or co-parenting in Colorado. In addition, we have created a short series of lessons that will take you through the legal process of divorce and answer your questions, from simple to complex. Divorce isn't easy. The end of a marriage, especially when children are involved, brings a great deal of loss and change. We hope these practical tips and insights will help you on your journey to a new and better life. I previously mentioned mediation in my last explanation on temporary orders. Most people have heard about mediation, but they don't understand exactly what it is. Mediation is a process where parties hire an independent, neutral third party. Most of the time, it's either another family law attorney or a former judge, and it helps to that mediator helps to facilitate the resolution of their case. It's confidential and it's voluntary to engage in settlement discussions in mediation. Now, when I say voluntary, most judges will order mediation to occur before having any sort of hearing, unless it's an emergency hearing. And still, in some circumstances, they'll even order mediation in that circumstance. The success rate of mediation is generally around 85%. It really depends on the mediator and the issues that are involved. Some circumstances, such as a parental relocation, it's really difficult to have a voluntary settlement on something like a parental relocation. But the most common type of mediation is shuttle mediation. And that's where the mediator goes back and forth between different rooms, or if it's on Zoom, to different breakout rooms, and they'll discuss with the parties their particular issues, and they'll try to help facilitate communication. Oftentimes in a divorce, your spouse could say that the sky is blue, and it may be, but you could disagree, and vice versa. And the mediator may be able to say, hey, the sky is blue, and you might be more receptive to what the mediator says than your other spouse and their attorney. If there is a situation that involves domestic violence, there are options to facilitate mediation in a way that protects all parties. Same thing for protection orders. And there are circumstances in which you can ask for the court to relieve you of the duty to mediate. But generally, as I said before, judges are a big proponent of mediation because it resolves disputes on people on their own without going to a hearing. And you can, at mediation, settle all or part of your case. For example, you could settle parenting and leave open the issue of child support or financial issues. Thanks for listening or watching this short lesson on the Divorce at Altitude podcast. If you found this helpful, please leave a review or share with a friend. It does help for others that are going through or thinking about divorce in Colorado. If you want to find out more information, please visit kalamaya.law or divorceataltitude.com, and that's KALAMAYA.law. Remember, this is educational information. It's not intended to be legal advice. Please consult with an attorney about the particulars of your case. We're happy to answer questions. Feel free to give us a call at 970-315-2365.